Did you know that more than 80% of brands have affiliate programs? Statistics show that 40% of marketers consider affiliate marketing a crucial skill. Finding the best hosting for affiliate marketers is an essential step if you're trying to monetize your blog or website. You will need to find a plan that is cost efficient, simultaneously providing the reliability and speed that you need to build profits. Online entrepreneurs usually take years to think of an idea, streamline the manufacturing process, attract customers, and then connect with potential investors. On the other hand, affiliate marketing allows you to share the success of others and grab some of the income by recommending products and services and earning a commission every time it converts into a sale. Hey everyone, my name's Daniel from Verpex, and in today's video we are discussing web hosting for affiliate marketers. Affiliate marketers need an online presence that is affordable, fast, designed to convert, and always available in order to maximize profits. Here's what affiliate marketers should be looking out for. In order to achieve long-term success with your affiliate marketing, you will need a stable web hosting provider. The more time marketers spend improving their affiliate relationships as well as their content, the more customers they will attract. All hosting customers should make sure that their web hosting provider offers an abundance of computing resources, responsive support, and reliable availability. However, affiliate marketers must look for useful and powerful services while still being able to shrink the expenses. Instead of simply deciding on a free web hosting service that offers features that are quite limited, instead, affiliate marketers should look for a reputable hosting provider that offers affordable packages. Look for plans that are affordable yet offer performance upgrades, such as solid state drives or even a content delivery network, marketing tools, and or around-the-clock support. Here are the different types of web hosting for affiliate marketers. First on our list, we have shared hosting. Shared hosting is the cheapest option out there. It doesn't require any specific technical knowledge, which is great, and it has managed server maintenance as well as administration and out-of-the-box native website management features. However, shared hosting comes with limited storage space and expensive upgrades. You also have to deal with bandwidth limits, and the availability of your website can be affected by traffic surges on the other websites that you share the server with. Next on our list, we have cloud hosting. With cloud hosting, instead of hosting your website on a single server, it is spread across several servers, all in different locations that are connected to each other through the internet. The benefits of cloud hosting are its customization and scalability, pay-per-use pricing, lower latency, resource pooling, access to value-added services, on-demand access to resources, and finally, limited downtime. The drawbacks of cloud hosting include the need for cloud expertise, shared security responsibilities, limited customization, and the fact that suboptimal usage of resources can result in higher costs. Then finally, we get managed cloud web hosting, which is basically the direct improved replacement of dedicated hosting. The managed option is ideal for those who want to focus on their business and not have to deal with the server maintenance, saving them the time to rather put their attention to potentially more important areas of work. Even though creating a website for your affiliate business might seem a bit overwhelming and daunting, it is most certainly a rewarding deal. However, there are many web hosting providers that are easy to use and offer money-back guarantees and lower prices in general. This means that nothing is stopping you from getting started today. And with that being said, that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video, so make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe with notifications, that way you never miss an upload.